Hi, Sarah, and maybe Casey or Leslie. I wanted to quickly show you guys how you can sign into the different pieces here. So right now we're on the Cognitive Canine, the main website, which you'll need to log into to add blog posts or podcasts or make any text edits to anything on the site. So I want to quickly show you how to do that and give you a short tutorial of the back end, which should be pretty familiar since you're used to WordPress already. So to go to the login page, we're just going to use your domain name /WP, which stands for WordPress -admin. And we hit enter, and that'll drop us on our login page. Now, you'll each have your own unique login information. I'll send you user information shortly here. But this is my login. I'm going to go ahead and hit login, and it'll bring me to the back end of WordPress. This should look pretty similar, I think, to the WordPress.com dashboard. You've got your posts, you've got your pages. The updates thing, there's a phantom update right now that's driving me crazy. There's not actually an update to run. But yeah, so this is basically what the back end looks like. To add posts, you'll go to the posts section, and if we click all posts, you'll see that we've got all of the posts that I imported from the old site design. If we go to pages, you'll see that we have all of the pages that I built out for the new site. And some of these can actually be deleted, so I'll go through and do that in a few minutes. Last thing I want to show you is how to update your password because it does send you a default password that's kind of obnoxious. So to do that, you'll go to Users, All Users, and you'll find your name, and you'll hit Edit. And then you can just scroll down to where it says New Password. You can hit Generate Password and just delete this and type in whatever you'd like. So you can use whatever password you want and then hit Update Profile. And what that'll do is it'll change your password for future logins so that you no longer have to use the crappy password it sends you by default. If you don't have a Gravatar account, I recommend creating one. It just lets you set up a kind of a default profile picture for WordPress. But other than that, I think that's really all that you need for now. You can kind of change what your name displays as on the site if you needed to. For example, if I wanted mine to be my first and last name, I could do that, and then I could make it that instead. For me, it doesn't really matter because, so we're going to cancel this, because I don't actually have my name show up anywhere on your site. So that kind of walks you through the basics that I think you'll need to know. You can mess with some of these settings. It just changes the color of the back end here. Instead of being black and gray and blue, you could make it coffee colored or light colored or all blues or just kind of whatever your personal preference is. And that's it for now. I'll do another video in just a minute.